Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're seeing ICS malfunction message showing up on your dashboard. If you're getting the ICS malfunction message, it means that the sonar, which is going to be located on the front bumper, on the rear bumper, and on the grille, it means that sonar is no longer working properly. The purpose of the sonar is to prevent the vehicle from hitting an object that is nearby. For example, let's just say if you're backing up and you're about to hit a bollard, or you're about to hit a trash can, or you're about to hit a tree, or you're about to hit your garage or shed, and so on, the ICS system, it is going to activate and it is going to automatically apply the brakes so you won't hit those objects. If you're trying to brake and you accidentally hit the gas pedal and you're about to hit an object right in front of you, the ICS system will also activate and it will automatically apply the brake. What causes the ICS system to malfunction? The most likely issue is you're going to have a sonar or sensor issue. For example, if there's an obstruction caused by maybe a buildup of dirt directly on that sonar, or let's just say it was snowing that day and a lot of snow got directly on the sonar, it can trigger the ICS malfunction message. And if you put bumper stickers directly over the sonar and you had no idea that you did it, well, pay attention. If you see a circular sonar or sensor directly on the bumper, and let's just say you put a bumper sticker over it, it is also going to activate the ICS malfunction message. And also, the sonar or sensor can also fail due to misalignment. For example, let's just say you hit something and the bumper got misaligned. It can also cause that sensor to fail as well. Furthermore, let's just say your vehicle is parked, and let's just say that somebody was trying to park and they actually hit your bumper or they hit that sonar or sensor. It can also cause it to fail. So make sure that you inspect the sensor or sonar, which is going to be the circular sensor or sonar located directly on the bumper. So make sure to look at it carefully. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.